Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disconnect from Facebook page to Instagram account on desktop. So let's get started. You might be finding all the options for shortcut of your pages. You can also go to pages and you can also click on your profile account to switch all your profile to pages. So now I'm going to select my page called Wonder Harmony. Now it's switching. And then you want to click on Wonder Harmony, your page name, and find Meta Business Suite. Over there, you need to click on Settings and go to Accounts. Under Accounts, go to Pages and click on your page name, Wonder Harmony. And over there, go to Page Access and also click on Connect Assets. Then you find Instagram. Okay, so this page has been connected to my profile called Instagram, and now I want to disconnect it. All you have to do is to click on disconnect and disconnect Instagram. There you go. So Instagram has been now disconnected. Now it's loading. Okay. Now, to connect your Instagram again, you can click on Connect Assets and Instagram account and click Connect and continue. Log into your Instagram account and there you go. So Instagram account has been now connected. I will also make a separate and dedicated video where I'll showcase you how you can also connect your Instagram account, whether you want to connect your personal or business account. So that's it for today. See you in the next time.